Okay guys, this is this entrance of ours, the back entrance by the containers, and this is the picture in front of us. The sky is red. None of my mom's stuff is insured because she's got no bloody money to insure it. Here's the flames. Right there, there's Nico standing on the corner. There's the flames. Ridge House is now in danger too. Right here, we were standing right there by that sign. There's a fire right here. Yeah, I don't see how Riverside can get away from this. It's coming right to the pavement now. That's on our piece of land. That's what's happening above. You can't even see the guardhouse anymore. All the buckies, all the farmers from around the area trying to help out. They're on our side of the farm. There's a fire going there. They fight the fires that they know they can win. Okay, Nick, let's go.